Greetings and welcome to the About My Brain Institute podcast, exploring the enchanting realm of the goddesses of the world oracle cards. In this episode, join us as we delve into the fascinating world of Goddess Atargatis, renowned as Syrian goddess of water, fertility, and healing. Part 1: Significance of Goddess Atargatis. What does Atargatis represent in mythology? Goddess Atargatis, a revered deity in ancient Near Eastern mythology, holds significant symbolism and represents a myriad of concepts. As the embodiment of water, she represents fertility, purification, and the life-giving forces of nature. Atargatis is often associated with the sea and depicted as a mermaid or a goddess with a fishtail, emphasizing her connection to aquatic realms and the depths of the subconscious. She symbolizes the balance between the untamed and serene aspects of water, representing both its nurturing and destructive qualities. Beyond her association with water, Atargatis is also a goddess of love, protection, and divine femininity. Her significance lies in her role as a guide and guardian, offering solace and guidance to those who seek her blessings. Atargatis reminds us of the sacredness of water, its power to purify, nourish, and bring forth life, while embodying the multifaceted aspects of femininity and the interconnectedness between humans and the natural world. Part 2: Archetypal qualities of Atargatis. Atargatis, the enigmatic depths of feminine power. As the goddess of water, she represents the primordial forces of creation, fertility, and purification. Atargatis' archetype encompasses the nurturing qualities of water, symbolizing compassion, healing, and emotional depth. She embodies the delicate balance between the untamed and serene aspects of the sea, reflecting the transformative power of the subconscious. Atargatis also represents the sacred feminine, embodying love, protection, and intuitive wisdom. Her archetypal essence evokes a sense of mystery and enchantment, reminding us of the vastness of our own inner realms and the interconnectedness of all life. With her alluring presence, Atargatis beckons us to explore the enigmatic depths of our own feminine power and embrace the transformative potential within. Part 3: Symbols associated with Goddess Atargatis. Embracing the transformative power of Atargatis, a journey through symbols in nature. Symbols, plants, animals, and colors associated with Goddess Atargatis carry deep symbolism in understanding her divine essence. Atargatis is often represented by the image of a mermaid, or a goddess with a fishtail, symbolizing her connection to water and the depths of the subconscious. Seashells, pearls, and other marine elements are also associated with her, highlighting her dominion over the sea. In terms of plants, water lilies and lotus flowers are sacred to Atargatis, representing purity, spiritual enlightenment, and the cyclical nature of life. Dolphins, as intelligent and playful creatures of the sea, are often linked to her as well, representing harmony, protection, and the ability to navigate emotional depths. The colors associated with Atargatis are typically shades of blue, reflecting the calming and nurturing qualities of water. These symbols, plants, animals, and colors collectively evoke the essence of Atargatis, emphasizing her association with water, the sacredness of nature, and the transformative powers of the subconscious. Part 4: The story of Goddess Atargatis. Waters of Wisdom. The enchanted village where Goddess Atargatis whispered secrets of nature. Once, in the ancient lands of Syria, there existed a village nestled near a shimmering lake. It was said that the village owed its prosperity to the benevolent presence of the goddess Atargatis. She was a deity of water, love, and protection, known to bless the people with abundant harvests and safeguard them from harm. In the heart of the village, there lived a young woman named Layla. Her heart was filled with curiosity and a deep reverence for the natural world. She spent her days wandering along the lake's shores, marveling at its tranquil beauty. Layla felt a mysterious connection to the water, sensing an unseen presence that whispered ancient wisdom to her soul. One fateful evening, as the moon bathed the village in a soft glow, Layla found herself drawn to the lake's edge. Entranced by the moonlit waters, she spoke a heartfelt prayer, calling upon Atargatis to reveal herself and share her wisdom. As Layla's words echoed across the stillness, a ripple formed upon the surface of the lake. To her astonishment, a figure emerged from the water, a radiant woman with long, flowing hair, adorned in iridescent scales that glimmered in the moonlight. It was Atargatis herself, the goddess who had heard Layla's call. With a voice that carried both gentleness and power, Atargatis spoke to Layla. She imparted ancient knowledge, teaching her the delicate balance between the nurturing and destructive aspects of water. Atargatis revealed the interconnectedness of all life and the importance of caring for the earth and its creatures. In the following days, Layla embraced her newfound connection with Atargatis. She became a guardian of the lake and its surrounding ecosystem, spreading awareness about the sacredness of water and the need to preserve it. With Atargatis as her guide, Layla's love for the natural world grew deeper, and she inspired others to join her in their shared mission of environmental stewardship. As the years passed, the village thrived under the watchful presence of Atargatis and the efforts of Layla and her companions. The lake remained a source of sustenance and healing, providing for the villagers and attracting travelers from far and wide who sought the goddess's blessings. Layla's devotion and connection to Atargatis touched the hearts of many. Her story spread throughout the land, and people from distant lands journeyed to the village to witness the divine presence of Atargatis firsthand. To this day, the village remains a testament to the enduring power of Atargatis. It stands as a reminder of the sacred bond between humanity and the natural world, a legacy left by a young woman who heeded the call of a goddess and became a guardian of water, love, and protection. The spirit of Atargatis lives on, inspiring generations to honor and preserve the precious resources of the earth and to cherish the profound wisdom and healing that can be found within the gentle embrace of water. Part 5, 3. Strategies for personal transformation, tapping into the power of the Atargatis archetype. Strategy 1. Embracing water, rituals for emotional well-being. Engage in rituals such as ablutions or bathing with intention, allowing the water to cleanse not only your physical body, but also your emotions and thoughts. As water has a calming effect on the nervous system, combining these practices with insights from neuroscience can promote emotional well-being, reduce stress, and enhance clarity of mind. Strategy 2. Connecting with nature for nurturing and grounding. Drawing inspiration from Atargatis, immerse yourself in nature regularly to cultivate a sense of nurturing and grounding. Spend time near bodies of water, such as rivers or lakes, and surround yourself with the sights, sounds, and scents of nature. Neuroscience research highlights the benefits of connecting with nature, including reduced anxiety and improved mental well-being. Strategy 3. Rituals of sensory healing. Engage your senses intentionally by creating a sensory-rich environment with calming scents, soft lighting, comforting textures, and soothing music. Neuroscience research demonstrates the profound impact of sensory experiences on mood, relaxation, and overall well-being. Part 6. Why it is important to undertake a ritual or visualization. Neuroscience teaches us about the plasticity of our brains, emphasizing the impact of focused intention and repetitive practice on reshaping neural pathways. Moreover, quantum physics suggests that at the fundamental level, everything is composed of vibrating energy fields, interconnected in a vast web of potentiality. By engaging in rituals and visualizations, we enter a state of focused intention and coherence, enabling us to connect with the quantum realm and interact with the subtle energies linked to these goddess archetypes. By combining the ancient wisdom of goddess mythology with modern scientific knowledge, we tap into our own transformative power, fostering harmony among our mind, body, and spirit. Ritual steps. 1. Find a tranquil and secluded space, preferably near a body of water or with a representation of water, such as a bowl or a vessel filled with water. 2. Set up an altar or a sacred space adorned with items that symbolize Atargatis and her qualities, such as seashells, pearls, images of mermaids or fish, and blue or green cloth. 3. Take a few deep breaths to center yourself and create a calm and focused state of mind. 4. Stand before the altar or sacred space, facing the water or the representation of water. Close your eyes and take a moment to ground yourself in the present moment. 5. Gaze into the water or the representation of water and allow your mind to become still. Let the ripples and reflections guide your focus and deepen your connection with Atargatis. 6. With an open heart, contemplate the archetypal qualities of Atargatis. Her nurturing nature, her embodiment of love and protection, and her deep connection to water and its healing properties. 7. Reflect on how these qualities resonate within you and how you can embody them in your own life. Consider the ways in which you can nurture others, offer protection, and honor the sacredness of water and the natural world. 8. Select a symbolic offering to present to Atargatis as a token of your respect and connection. It could be a seashell, a pearl, a written prayer, or intention, or any item that holds personal significance. Hold the offering in your hands and infuse it with your intentions, gratitude, and love. Offer it to the water. 9. When you feel ready, express your gratitude to Atargatis for her presence, guidance, and blessings. Offer words of thanks for the connection and the wisdom received. Take a moment to sit in silence, absorbing the energy of the ritual and integrating its significance into your being. Slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment. A final message, words of wisdom from Atargatis. Let the gentle touch of water remind you of the healing power that lies within you, waiting to be awakened. Thanks for tuning in. This podcast was brought to you by the About My Brain Institute. For all the freshest updates and exclusive content, make sure to subscribe to our newsletter and give us a follow on our social channels. Until next time, keep those neurons firing.